What's up, guys? Well, today you can hear Bad Pony running in the background. Sorry I didn't get the cold start. Today we're heading out to take Nightmare, which is right here, to get its ceramic coating done. It's kind of overcast here, but it's supposed to clear up. Normally I do it, you know, but the size of this truck, I can't get it in the garage, so I guess that having somebody else do it's not a bad thing. So the guy really wants to do it, they need to work, so I'm just gonna let them do it, and it'll save me a lot of headaches. And they're gonna keep the truck for 2 days inside to let it heal. But there's Bad Pony, she's running, and I'm gonna hop in the car. And we're gonna head to head over to Buc-ee's, guys. Get some fuel. And we're going to head off to the detailing shop. We're going to see how that goes. That done, and then you guys probably saw the new car. I'm just gonna ceramic coat that myself. I have the stuff here. It's not like I can't do it. I have the buffer, I have everything else to do it. The truck is just too much, and it's, you know, the size of it. I can't get it in the garage. I can get it halfway in the garage. That's no good. As soon as the sun comes out, that'll be a nightmare. So and I don't name these cars, guys, just in case you wanted to know, or you're like, oh, that's stupid or something. No, my wife names these cars, so be careful. Anyway, the truck's named Nightmare because when we first got it, it was kind of a nightmare. We bought it, took it on a trip, came home, had to go back to the dealership for a month. So, and it's dark, and you know, so we named it Nightmare. Bad Pony, she named it Bad Pony. Story about Bad Pony was we were gonna buy a dark horse. The guy kind of screwed us around. We ended up ordering this car out of Kansas, and it was a great deal. So, and we're very happy with this car. So, whatever. She will name the other car. We'll see. We'll see what she comes up with for that. But right now, the car doesn't have a name. But we'll see what she comes up with. I'm sure it'll be something cool. So. People are doing. I guess they can't see stop signs. I don't know. Fucking putzes. Anyway, hey, look at that. There's the Dirty Beaver. See the sign? Oh yeah. That's the place that shatters all your hopes and dreams right there. Buc-ee's. I tell everybody, you never been to a Buc-ee's, bring $100. $100 every time you walk through the door. They got everything. Scented candles, beaver nuggets, everything. best thing about Buc-ee's is the gas. The gas is a good price, and you can't go wrong with the gas, guys. Yeah. Oh, and no trucks allowed. Well, straight trucks, just no tractor trailers. So these guys got to park on the street. That's not dangerous, but you know, whatever. They got to park on the street. And like this asshole going through the parking lot at 30 miles an hour doesn't have the right of way. That's okay. I'm sure it won't be his first accident. Probably won't be his last. So, you know, jackass. Sorry, I'm supposed to be nice. And, you know, yeah, this is a good place to buy gas if you could find a place to get gas. But I'll just back in over here. These guys are probably in there eating anyway, because everybody leaves their freaking car in the pump and goes in and eats. But, you know, it is what it is, right? Can't get upset. You just gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna get some gas, guys, and head over to the shop. And when I get there, I'll hit you up. Over here at JLE Customs. We're gonna get Night here some ceramic coating, and then I'm heading off to another place to get some other stuff for the new car. But we're gonna leave the truck here, and yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'll probably hit you up from the other place, and then we're going to when we pick the truck up, you guys can see. Alright guys, thanks for chiming in today.